Hey guys, I'm Z from DirectDMedia. How are you guys doing? I am super duper excited right now because today I'm gonna share with you guys the Xiaomi Redmi Note 10 camera performance. You know why? Because this is super affordable smartphone which has a magnificent camera specification on paper. Before that, don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Let's get started. Redmi Note 10 gets a quad camera system at the back and packed with 48 megapixel main camera, 18 megapixel ultra wide and 2 megapixel for macro and depth lens. For the front, it has 30 megapixel selfie camera, which I think megapixel size is good enough since we all know that the size of megapixel doesn't define or determine your camera or photo quality. So yeah, I'm quite impressed, especially considering the price. I bet you guys won't believe me, right? Never mind, it's okay. Let's have a look at the photo samples, but here is a little reminder. The result you're getting on this phone is going to blow you away like wow. Okay, I might exaggerate a bit, let's roll. As you guys can see, the 48 megapixel main camera can capture such good details of the photo and it's very usable for daily use. The main camera can produce a good quality photo for you. Considering you have a good light, it captures high detail just the way it is supposed to. Next, ultra wide. For you guys who love the group photo sessions, don't worry. Redmi Note 10 has a functional ultra-wide lens, which I personally like, but the most important is the result. And for me, the photo produced has a decent quality. The portrait mode for Redmi Note 10 also turns out pretty good, as you guys can see in the 3 photo samples. The camera did a good job in the subject separation, the bokeh and the details of me as the subject. For me, Redmi Note 10 portrait mode is very easy and fast to use and it's definitely ready to be posted on my social media. However, I found that particularly in a low light, the Redmi Note 10 was capable of capturing a crisp image with a quite strong color palette. What I meant is, I don't put any high expectation for the their night mode since we all know with the price that they offer for us. Yeah, I can't expect that much, but I was totally wrong because even in low light, the performance is not that bad. It still managed to capture an okay photo with acceptable noise and details. Moving to the video capabilities, the color look vibrant and quite decent. Even though the quality is not as good as a video camera, but hey, for mobile usage, the result is seriously not that bad. Don't underestimate it until you try it on your own. Also, being an entry-level mid-range, it's okay for the resolution only supports up to 4K 30 FPS. So guys, with what I've shared just now, what do you think for the Redmi Note 10 camera? Is it a good in reality as on the paper or no? Let us know your thought in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Goodbye.